Welcome to Kyros Discover Computational Thinking. This program is designed to help students prepare for college admissions in the post-ChatGPT era where everyone can be a programmer and apply computational thinking in solving real-world problems. The interactive 10 workshops will take you on a journey through a playground of games and puzzles to hone in your skills in 4 areas. Teach the computer what you know. Solve a class of problems instead of one specific problem. Harness the computer's power to solve large-scale problems. Get ready for USA Computational Olympiad, game design, or independent project. Our lead instructor, Dr. Ju, a Stanford PhD in computer science, also a USA Computational Olympiad coach, has built several companies acquired by Walt Disney and 3Com. The students who participated in this program all had amazing experiences.
I'm Brendan, a junior at Stanford University, majoring in computer science. In 10th grade, I discovered my passion through Dr. Ju's computational thinking workshops. It had a significant impact on my area of interest, leading me to choose computer science as my major at Stanford. Inspired by my love for computational thinking, I started a company that teaches computer science to elementary school students. Through this experience, I've realized the importance of early exposure to computational thinking.
Hi, I'm Judy, a rising sophomore at Purdue University, majoring in computer science. I was attending an international school in China when I took Dr. Ju's Stanford Pre-Collegiate Summer Camp. It introduced me to computational thinking and problem solving using the power of computers. The program taught me to discover the right questions and how to come up with a solution that solves a class of problems instead of one specific problem. I'm currently attending computer science at Purdue. My early high school exposure to computational thinking allowed me to excel in the required classes and get my first summer internship.
Hi, I'm Kevin, a rising senior at Palo Alto High School. I always enjoyed playing video games as a child. I started the computational thinking program with Dr. Ju in 5th grade. I programmed a robot to navigate through the maze, which really ignited my passion. During this program, I gained a strong programming foundation and problem-solving skills. As I continued to advance in this field, I started competing in USA Computing Olympiad, currently in the gold division. Additionally, I explored AI research, working on a project for early diagnosis of Parkinson's disease using facial data and AI methods. Thanks to Dr. Ju and the computational thinking program, I'm now developing ML algorithms and optimizing performance.